Shia.
Oh my God.
Shia, what you doing? You eating banana taffy?
Should stick you in the shot.
But she likes it. Make it good, girl. Good.
She'll be chewing all night. Poor dog.
Poor
And she
thing.
likes it, though.
Poor thing.
It's a good stuff.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Shia, is it good, honey? Is it?
Give me another piece and we'll do it one more time with her.
Good. I want another piece. I think we can put this on YouTube.
We need to go put it on YouTube.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Did you finish it, Shy?
Put it on Facebook.
I don't have a Facebook. Want another piece? You want another
I
piece?
don't know. She might decide.
Was that
Good.
good?
Enough of that crap.
She might want. You want another piece? I'm gonna give it to her.
Now I
See if she
gotta
wants
get
it.
it chewed up, bro.
You want another piece? Your eyes look so weird in this camera. Oh, my little wolf husky.
Well, I just give her a whole one.
Want some more? I think she does. Shy. You want some more?
She's afraid to put it in her mouth. Now
Well, that's what she did with the other piece, too.
here we go.
Here we go again.
Put it on your Facebook so your sister can see it.
Where'd it go?
She's a lot smaller than that piece.
Oh well.
That's
No, she still got it.
She did give her jaw rest.
Oh, poor Shia. Oh, poor Shia. Oh, come here.
This is what happens when you give a dog.
This is what happens.
Caught her teeth. She's trying to get out.
Ooh, God.
She likes it, though.
Shy. This is gold. Oh, poor Shy. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Getting it, Daddy.
God. Did you
She
get
got
it?
out, she picked it right back up
She
again.
likes it.
This is what happens when you give a dog banana taffy and she likes it. She's just nomming it. She's just like, hold on, let me get it just a little bit at a
Get
time.
smaller pieces.
Oh God, that was close. I saw like her all. Oh, that's gonna give you cute nightmares, isn't it? Yeah. Why is there a flashlight? Oh God.
Let's see here.
4 minutes of... Oh, this poor dog has suffered enough, but it's so funny. Am I right? Am I right? Oh, you. Come here.
Put it in your mouth. Just give it to her like that.
I am.
Shia, poor Shia.
She likes that.
Here we go again.
Just don't like it get caught in the teeth.
Yeah.
She's getting smart. She's trying to get little tiny pieces off.
Yep. You learn from your mistakes, don't you?
No.
What? This is already 5 minutes long. Ooh, you like that, don't you? See, yeah, I do.
She said it's easier when I chew it myself.
She just gulped it down. Oh, what she did. Don't want to get caught in her teeth.
And she said she has to take a bath afterwards so she gets sticky all over. You want another piece? You want another one?
She's looking at you, yeah. Like, yeah, I want some more. That stuff is good. Shia, was that good? Was that good?
Hang on, Mom.
Uh-oh, here it goes again. Get it. Why? Why you torturing this poor puppy? Why is that? Oh, Shia. Oh, poor baby. Oh, poor baby. I'm just like, it's good, but it just gets stuck in my teeth.
She's just gulping it down now instead of chewing it.
Shia. 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 Was it good? She's like, yeah, but I don't like it. In my teeth. Oh, this is so good on YouTube. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, nah, nah.
There it is,
Nah,
honey.
nah, 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 nah.
Got it.
She's like, come on, get out. Get out.
Come on, I bite this damn thing, it sticks to me.
Oh God.
We're sorry.
Like a freaking lizard.
Dude, I lick it to death.
Oh God. This is even funnier than that dog with peanut butter. It's funnier than the dog with peanut butter.
If she does it, she still wants me to give her another one.
Oh, poor Shy. 8 minutes. 8 minutes of laughter. She's just like, come on. Come on.
Please, turn loose of my teeth.
I think it's on the roof of her mouth.
She's like, I need
And her
to
teeth.
Papa,
Poor
you need to take
Shy.
her phone and put that on your computer. so Maria can see her eating banana taffy.
She said, yeah, it's on the roof of her mouth and it's also connected to her teeth. She's just like, I'll just lick it to death. Oh God.
Oh my God.
Why is there a glare? Oh well.
I ain't never seen a dog like banana taffy.
Poor dog.
Oh, baby. Well, that's it for now. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Say bye, Shia. Okay, that's your goodbye. Say bye, Guinea. Say bye, Papa. Bye.